If they only knew the brutal places you work in, the grit and grime and dust kicked up every day, they don't know how hard your job is. But we do. You need protection that's rugged, comfortable, and low profile. Introducing the 3M Rugged Comfort Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator 6500 series. Your lasting defense against the harshest environments. A respirator rugged enough to withstand long hours in harsh conditions, yet comfortable to wear. Its low-profile design gives you the freedom to work in compact workspaces, while the textured silicone face seal and strong, firm body helps keep your respirator stable, flexible, and comfortable, working with you, moving with you. The 6500 QL option, with its proprietary drop-down mechanism, offers fast donning and doffing for those frequently moving in and out of work areas. Stay productive with the 3M family of reusable respirators, the leader in respiratory protection for more than 40 years. 3M Rugged Comfort Half Facepiece Reusable Respirator 6500 series. Built for the toughest of conditions and the people who work in them. Created by the company that knows.